Namaskar, India Meteorological Department welcomes you in daily weather briefing. So for next 5 days, the hailstorm activity which is currently going on over Madhya Pradesh and adjoining parts of Vidarbha and Chhattisgarh is likely to continue during next 2 days, and an intense western disturbance is likely to affect northwest India from tomorrow night itself, and it will continue to cause rainfall over the plain areas and snowfall over the mountainous areas till 16th of April, with maximum intensity on 13th and 14th of April. So if we look into observations, over Madhya Pradesh, over the districts of Sivni, Chhindwara, Balaghat, Mandla, Baitul and Bhopal, Sihor, all these districts of Madhya Pradesh has received hailstorm activity yesterday and till 8:30 hours IST of today, and also over one or two stations of Vidarbha, hailstorm activity has also been observed. Also gusty winds were observed over these areas at many stations. So this is the map for maximum temperature over the country, and we can see that the 40 to 42 degrees centigrade of temperature have been observed over some parts of West Rajasthan and isolated parts of Gujarat and isolated parts of Maharashtra. And these temperatures are almost, as we can see, they are almost close to the normal over the entire country, over peninsular India, over central India, East India, as well as Gujarat, except over isolated parts of peninsular India and coastal Odisha and coastal Andhra Pradesh. And although these have been above normal by 2 to 3 degrees centigrade over parts of West Rajasthan and Punjab and Haryana. So these maximum temperatures are likely to fall over northwest India from 13th of April itself, as the western disturbance is going to affect northwest India, and due to this we are not expecting any heat wave conditions over the country during next 5 days. Although as far as hot and humid weather conditions are concerned, so these hot and humid weather conditions are likely to continue over Kerala for next 5 days and over Tamil Nadu for next 24 hours, because we are expecting over Tamil Nadu some rainfall activity by tomorrow, some good rainfall activity. And these hot and humid weather conditions are likely to continue for next 2 to 3 days over this region of coastal Andhra Pradesh, Rayalaseema, coastal Karnataka and South India Karnataka during next 2 to 3 days. And thereafter we are expecting again on 14th of April hot and humid weather conditions over coastal Odisha and neighborhood, and this is going to happen because over East India we are expecting rise in maximum temperatures after 2 days, and on 15th of April we are expecting heat wave conditions over Odisha. So now if we come over to the synoptic conditions, so we have a western disturbance which is currently over Syria, Iraq and northwest Iran region as a cyclonic circulation extending from lower tropospheric level and extending up to the upper tropospheric levels, and this western disturbance is likely to move gradually, and its forward sector would arrive over the northwest India by tomorrow night itself, and it will start causing rainfall activity over northwest India from tomorrow itself, when we are expecting scattered light rainfall activity over J&K. And on 13th of April, as we can see that this will be giving maximum weather over western Himalayan region as well as the plains of northwest India, when the rainfall activity would be fairly widespread over Haryana, Chandigarh, Delhi, Punjab, Himachal Pradesh, Jammu, Kashmir, Ladakh, Gilgit, Baltistan and Muzaffarabad. And this activity would continue up to 16th of April, but its maximum intensity will be on 13th and 14th of April. Here we can again see that on 13th and 14th of April, widespread light to moderate rainfall and snowfall is likely over the Jammu and Kashmir, Himachal Pradesh and Uttarakhand, and fairly widespread light moderate rainfall activities likely over Punjab, Haryana, Chandigarh, Delhi and northwest UP and the parts of West UP which are adjoining to Haryana. And also Rajasthan is likely to receive, especially North Rajasthan, likely to receive similar type of weather conditions. So during these 13th and 14th of April, thunderstorm activity is likely over these areas of northwest India, and on 13th hailstorm activity is likely over the entire region shown in orange color in isolated pockets over Jammu Kashmir, Himachal Pradesh, Punjab, Haryana, and Rajasthan. Isolated hailstorm activity is also likely, along with the gusty winds of the order of 30 to 40 kmph. And on 14th of April, again this activity would continue although over this entire region of northwest India, although the hailstorm activity is probable only over Himachal Pradesh and Uttarakhand, and over parts of West UP which are adjoining to Uttarakhand. And also during this period, we are also expecting hailstorm activity over Rajasthan on 13th of April, along with the dust storm probability over Rajasthan on 13th and 14th of April. And also there is a probability of high speed winds of the order of 50 to 60 kmph, which may have gusts up to the order of 70 kmph. So this was about hailstorm and thunderstorm activity over northwest India. And as far as central India is concerned, so as we saw that southern parts of MP experienced, especially East MP and adjoining West MP, experienced hailstorm activity today and yesterday, and it is likely to continue today as well over the districts of Betul, Chhindwara, Shivni, Balaghat, Mandla, Sihor, Bhopal, Vidisha, etc. And this would continue till tomorrow, and day after tomorrow it is likely to decrease, and only thunderstorm activity is likely on 13th of April. On 11th and 12th of April, the activity would accompany with the gusty winds of the order of 50 to 60 kmph also. So this was about the hailstorm activity and thunderstorm activity and the rainfall activity, and also heavy rainfall probability and snowfall probability is there over Jammu Kashmir, Gilgit Baltistan, Muzaffarabad on 13th of April, and at isolated places, and also heavy rainfall snowfall activity is likely over Jammu Kashmir, Gilgit Baltistan, Muzaffarabad and Himachal Pradesh on 14th of April. So the weather over central India would continue till tomorrow, the severe weather, the weather accompanied with hailstorm activity, and the weather over northwest India would start from tomorrow night, and it would continue up to 15th of April with maximum intensity on 13th and 14th of April. And due to this upcoming activity, the maximum temperatures over northwest India, over Rajasthan, Punjab, Haryana, which are in the range of 38 to 42 degrees centigrade, would fall down to 32 to 38 degree centigrade. So that's all for today. Tomorrow we will again meet with Delhi weather briefing for weather warning during next 5 days. Thank you and goodbye.